Collective. My name's Renee.
My name's Greg.
And today we wanted to talk to you about our exciting lesson, our module on scheduling.
So important.
The QC's involvement in project schedule. So we really like to see our QCs get to be involved when a project schedule is built. It helps so much because your quality control manager is the one that's going to understand the required testing, all the time associated with it, the review of the submittals, the testing, the flow. But many times general contractors don't let us be involved during the schedule development. However, we're really hoping we're starting to turn that a little bit, and we're seeing that at least the QCs can put input in. So when the first draft comes out, if the QCs are trained in schedule and how important it is to our world, they can provide input and then save a project. What you don't want to do is get to the end of the project, have like a week in there for all of the startups, commissioning, and testing when it's actually going to take more like 2 months. And then that leads to liquidated damages and all kinds of uglies. And we've seen it happen time and time again. We've seen small general contractors and large general contractors not put enough time in for all of our QC requirements.
You got to have enough time in there. And QCs, if you're new to this, you find your voice. Find your voice because you will need to have input on that. QCs that are refreshing themselves and have experience in this, I'm sure you already know that you need to be involved, but there's a few little tips and tricks in here that you may not have thought of.
Right. So our schedule class is going to talk about, obviously, more in depth of importance. We're going to go through what QCs need to be involved in when it comes to schedule creation and why. We're going to talk about submittals and schedule, testing and schedule, red zone and scheduled items, commissioning and scheduled items, all of the closeout documents and schedule items, and then we're going to go in depth into commissioning flowcharts and why we use them, and we're going to walk through one because this training module comes with our commissioning flowchart. So we're going to walk you through step by step how to set it up, how to use it, and how to make it most impactful.
This is an amazing tool, and it provides a lot of insight. We'll show you how to work back from your end date through commissioning through all the way to the beginning of the project. QCs, you have to have pre-construction submittals to get out of the dirt. Yep. We talk about those. You can talk about those in your schedule when you're doing your schedule creation with your ownership and your project managers. They may not know. It's really good stuff in here. Really good.
It's over an hour with Greg and I talking through schedule, how important it is, and trying to help you guys get ahead of it before you get in trouble.
And this is real field knowledge. This isn't something that's dreamt up in a classroom. No. This is tried and true processes. Right. Lots and lots of lessons learned that we've struggled with, and we've learned those lessons.
We've screwed up, so you don't have to.
So you don't have to. So
that's the name of the game.
It's built by QCs for QCs.
Absolutely.
And we really know what works and will help make you successful.
And we hope to see you on the inside. So grab that training module and we'll get started today.
Have fun.
Thanks.